Hey Junior Giants, it's your coach Kayla Barnes, and now we're going to get into the workout. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to throw a baseball and softball. So first things first, we have to find our stance. So you want to make sure that your throwing hand is in the back of you and your non-dominant hand is in front of you. You want to make sure that your stance is square and shoulder length apart and every part of your body matches each other. So once you find your stance, you want to make sure you have a soft ball that replicates the ball in your hand. You can find anything, you can use a grill ball, toilet paper roll, anything that you're comfortable with. You want to make sure you hold it right directly by your chest to give your full stance. Okay, now that you're comfortable with your stance and where you're holding the ball, to throw the ball, you want to make sure you put all your weight on your back leg. So you're going to drop into your back leg. And when you do that, you want to pick up your front leg, raise your knee. After you raise your knee and you put all your weight on your back leg, you want to stride your front leg forward like this. And so you'll have a lean and the back heel will be raised. So let's try it again. Put your weight on your back leg, raise your knee, stride forward. So after you stride forward, you want to make sure to release both hands and then turn your body forward and follow through on the front. So this is what it looks like in one motion. Okay? So after you stride forward, you want to make sure to release your hands at the same time because everything is followed in one motion. So after you release your hands at the same time, you're going to turn forward and follow through with that hand. Okay, now let's put all the pieces together. So let's find our stance, put the ball at our chest, put weight on that back foot, raise the front leg, your knee, stride forward, release the hands, turn your body and follow through.